splash. Light splash.
You can do it. You can. Oh, this is green stuff.
That's
What do you
not
need?
the
What do
light
you need?
splash he wants. Light splash
nothing
cola.
right now.
Okay.
Light splash cola.
I will go ahead and sort out.
Where do I put the pickle?
It's which order?
Oh, you're supposed to
Oh,
put
no.
in these like little things, the containers.
Yeah.
There you go.
Another order.
All right.
Oh,
Okay, wait, sorry.
Jen, are you doing
didn't-
anything?
We
no,
need more meat.
No more
Burger?
meat.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what we have.
No.
A regular hamburger.
Pain. This is for number 9.
You have
A
your stuff
hamburger.
together. Number 9.
Alright, number 9 should be
Okay,
good.
I'm delivering it.
you.
Number 9, number 9.
I'm gonna work
Put
on
Jen, take the order.
what
We
are you
did
gonna work on? Let's do
There's
it
a
again.
guest! There's a guest!
I'm gonna eat
What's
it.
happening?
Right
Okay,
now.
which burgers? I have 13 and number 1.
Maybe you can put it in the fridge.
13 is no longer on the
We
board.
need to restart! This is too hard! Can we turn down the difficulty?
Okay,
garbage.
we'll go back to
11,
normal.
11 go up, 11
But it's
up,
not gonna
11.
start until
11's
the
up.
next
Okay.
day.
I'm like, is this gonna cause problems? But then nobody wanted. Oh, nobody wanted the pasta.
Yeah.
I don't want to get trapped in there.
Did nobody ever order any mustard today? Was there no mustard?
We don't have mustard yet.
Oh, we don't.
No, we
Yeah,
don't
we
have
might have
mustard.
unlocked some new things.
I see.
Can
Let's
we?
go home.
I thought we were supposed. We have tomatoes, so I'm gonna go buy it now.
And tell me whose burger comes up because at this point, number 4. Okay. Number 4
Number
needs
4.
what? Number 4. I kind of need some help.
That's
Some
you.
ice.
Number 6, this is number 6 burger.
Okay, one moment. This is for number
Oh,
4.
we're gonna need more patties.
Number
Okay, you already got patties. Good job. Good
Are
job.
you working on
Really
number
proud of
1? Sorry.
you.